Hey there, we're ready to do lesson 4.4, use models to multiply. Today, friends, I'm going to blow your mind. Are you ready for it? It's going to happen. Maybe it'll happen. So have you ever heard about this thing called partial products? Look at that, your mind is blown. You can use partial products to find a larger product. Okay, so I know, wait, just wait for it. I'm going to show you what I mean. You're going, what do you mean, Mrs. Meucci? What are you talking about? I'm going to show you what I mean. So let's say we have 36 times 3. Okay. Partial means you're going to break it apart. Okay. So I'm going to break this into 30 times 3. Oh, look, I'm even going to use my parentheses to group them. Plus 6 times 3. Right? So I'm multiplying the 30 times 3 and the 6 times 3 because I broke this into 30 and 6, just like we did when we learned about expanded form, right? So really, this is going to equal the same answer. I'm breaking it apart in partial products. I'm breaking it apart. I'm finding the product of each part, and then I'm going to put it back together. So I took 36, I broke it apart, I multiplied it, I'm going to put it back together. That's what partial products is doing. So here we have 30 times 3. Well, I can do that mentally because 3 times 3 is 9, and I know that it's a 30, so I need it to be in the tens place, 90. And I know 6 times 3, because that's one of my math facts, is 18. Now I have to put them back together. So I multiplied. Now I need to put them back together. Because remember, I broke them apart, multiplied. Let me put them back together. So 90 plus 18. Well, 90 plus 10 is 100 plus 8. So 108 is my answer. Not 36 times 3 is 108. Did I blow your mind? Oh, partial products are so much fun. All right. Here's the I do. Use partial products to solve. All right. Here we go. What's the problem? Oh, 47 times 8. Okay, 47 times 8. So I'm going to take 47, I'm going to break it apart. So that's 40 and 7. But I need to multiply each part by 8 because that's what I'm multiplying by. So 40 times 8 and 7 times 8. And then remember, at the end, I'm going to put them back together, which means I'm going to add them back together. So I'm going to put that plus sign in the middle. And I like to use my handy-dandy parentheses to group them. Okay, so 40 times 8. Well, 4 times 8 is 32. And I'm going to put that 0 there as my placeholder because I didn't multiply 4 times 8. I multiplied 40 times 8. Plus, I almost said the answer. What's 7 times 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. 56. You got it. Whoa, that 5 got away from me. And now I'm going to add these together. Now, friends, maybe we can't add 320 plus 56 in our head. So I'm going to write it off to the side. I'm going to write it up and down vertically. 320 plus 56. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus nothing is 3. 376. Yeah? So sometimes when you use partial products, you can turn a multiplication problem into a mental math problem. Sometimes. All right. That was the I do. You ready for a we do? Get out your whiteboard. Let's go, my friends. Okay, here's the we do. Use partial products to solve. 52 times 5. Here we go. 52 times 5. All right. You ready? We're going to do this together. So we're going to break 52 into 50 and 2. Remember that expanded form? It all comes back. And we're going to multiply both numbers by 5. Use those handy-dandy parentheses to group them. And then remember at the end, we have to put them back together. So we broke it apart. We're going to multiply. We're going to put it back together at the end. So 50 times 5. Well, 5 times 5 is 25. And I need that placeholder 0. Plus 2 times 5 is, see how I'm just bringing this down, is 10. Oh, I can do this one in my head. 250 plus 10 is 260. You got it. Partial products. How about, whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Oh, here's the you do. You ready? Go ahead and, what? That's not right. That is not right. We just did that one. Let me change this. You thought you were going to get away with it. Well, you're not. Let's do 64 times 6. Okay. Pause this video, solve this, come back and see if you got it right. Go ahead, pause. All right, are we ready? Let's see if you got this right. Let me switch to green. 64 times 6. Well, I'm going to break it apart. 60 times 6, parentheses, handy dandy, plus 4 times 6. Let's see, 6 times 6 is 36, and I need that placeholder, 0, plus 4 times 6 is 24. Ooh, let's see. 360 plus 24. Maybe we want to write this over to the side. Whoa. I'm getting better at writing on the computer. 0 plus 4 is 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. 384. So 64 times 6. Did you get 384? I bet you did. You are so smart. All right, you want to try a challenge? Show your resilience. We can do this. Let's try, whoa, 328 times 6. Oh, we got this. 328 times 6. Well, remember, I'm going to break it apart into expanded form. And what do I break the 328 into? Do you know? I'm going to break it into 300, 20, and 8. Well, and then I need to multiply each one of those by times, oh, I'm going to run out of room, times 6, parentheses, handy dandy, plus, oh, I wrote them too close, 20 times 6 plus 8 times 6. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now we broke them apart. We're going to multiply, and there's another third one in there, so 3, and then we're going to put them back together. All right, 3 times 6 is 18, but I need 2 zeros for the placeholder. 20 times 6, 2 times 6 is 12, and a 0 placeholder. And 8 times 6, 6 times 8 is 48. And then we add all these together. Let's see. This one I'm going to write over to the side for sure. Make sure you line those place values up. All right. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 2 plus 4 is 6. 8 plus 1, 9, and 1. So 328 times 6 is 1,968. Whoa! We just did it. We did it. I know you thought it was going to be super hard, and it was challenging, but we did it. You're awesome. All right. Go ahead and go to your Schoology and see what your assignment is. If you need help with this, I want you to come back and join me for the live learning. Don't forget to do your exit ticket. Great job today, friends. I'll see you soon.